Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a Euro eccentric vintage styled home which is located in the upscale community of East Avenue, Lucea, Hanover. This property boasts half acre or 21,780 square feet of lush greenery, fruitful vegetation, and more than adequate space for the little ones to play. Perfect for overseas residents who are returning home for an easy and quiet life away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Guys, it's time to see this house. Watch the entire video and leave a comment at the end. The asking price for this house is US 265,000 or Jamaican $40.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.